How to fix mic not working on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Today we'll be discussing on some of the points by which you can fix your mic error. So for the first solution, right click on the start button and go to settings. After that, click on privacy and security. Scroll down to app permissions and click on microphone. Here you can check if there is the app that is causing the microphone error and make sure that it has the access by toggling it on. This will probably fix the problem if it is for an app only. Now for the second solution, what you have to do is click on the search button and then click on control panel. Now you have to type in on sound. After that, you have to go to the recordings. Here you can check the app which is for default now, and if you want you can right click on it and click in set in default device. After that, what you can do is you can right click on the microphone connected, go to its properties. After that, go to the listen section and make sure that playlist through this device is chosen as default. After that, you can go to levels and make sure that the volume is on 100%. This should also fix the mic problem. However, if this does not fix, go to general and then go to properties. After that, go to driver or change settings and then go to driver. Now you have to click on update driver options. This will then update your drivers, which will probably fix the mic problem. Or what you can also do is you can go to device control or device manager, click on the sound audio video option, choose for the adapter and then click on update driver. Make sure that you choose the updated driver, and this is it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.